In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your PS4 controller to iPad Genshin Impact. So let's get started. Now, first of all, you're gonna head over to your settings, go to General, and then here you're gonna see the About option. Now, once you click on About, you can see your iPad version. Now, to connect your PS4 controller to the iPad, you need to have iPad OS 13 or later. Now, this is very important. If you have something lower than 13 point something, then you obviously have to try updating it from software update. So once you've checked that, let's get to the main part of connecting the controller. Well, how does it first work? We first have to put our controller into pairing mode. So to do this, what we have to do is we have to hold the PS button and the share button together. So you have to click them together and hold them. Now hold them about for 5 seconds, and then this light bar will start flashing white. Now when it's flashing white, then that means that it is currently in pairing mode. Then what you have to do is just go to your settings, go to Bluetooth, and here under other devices, you're gonna see your DualShock 4 wireless controller pop up. Just go ahead and connect it, and then this light right here is gonna turn solid. So it would be something like this, so it would just stay blue forever. Then the next step is to open Genshin Impact, and here you have to go to the settings, okay? So you go to settings, so you can go ahead and click on the Paimon menu on the top left, tap settings, then go to controls, and then you have to change the control type to controller. And then game will ask you to restart, just go ahead and do it. And now your controller is gonna work with Genshin Impact. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.